Very interesting study from St. George's University of London about cannabinoids and their effectiveness as anti-cancer drugs. There's new research which shows that the non-hallucinogenic components of cannabis could act as very effective anti-cancer agents. The anti-cancer properties of THC, which is the primary hallucinogenic component of cannabis, has been known for many years, but research into similar cannabis-derived compounds known as cannabinoids has been limited, and the study actually shows that either alone or in combination with each other, cannabinoids have appeared to be effective in these laboratory conditions in their anti-cancer actions related to leukemia. Of 6 cannabinoids studied, each demonstrated anti-cancer properties as effective as those seen in THC, and importantly, they had an increased effect on cancer cells when combined with each other. So it seems clear to me, Lewis, at this point, that even if this isn't exactly where marijuana ends up providing medical advances, although it very well may, that somewhere it will. And we have a situation here. We have two conflicting elements. We've got the war on drugs and the U.S. government, which maintains that marijuana is a very dangerous drug and that it doesn't contain true medicinal properties or beneficial effects. And at the same time, you have research going on which shows that it actually may. And in the midst of this, the war on drugs continues to put nonviolent drug offenders, disproportionately minorities, in prison. Eventually, something has to break here.
Slowly, yeah, it is. And it all starts, I guess, with the legalization of marijuana, and then real research can begin on it. And, who knows what we'll find with other illegal drugs? I mean, who knows what types of interesting compounds and nutrients or chemicals we may find in the coca leaf or in salvia or in things like that. And we need to be able to research those too, of course.
By the way, listen to this completely unbelievable situation. The U.S. federal government has consistently denied that marijuana has medical benefits, and at the same time, the U.S. government holds patents for the medical use of marijuana. Look up U.S. patent 6630507. It's called Cannabinoids as Antioxidants and Neuroprotectants, which is assigned to the United States of America as represented by the Department of Health and Human Services. It's been 10 years since this patent was created. 10 years. But we're still hearing, Lewis, that we need to prosecute the war on drugs against marijuana and that there are no medical benefits to marijuana. Something here is going to change. The question is whether the pharmaceutical industry will get to marijuana before it, or just will get to it full stop, and that it will become a illegal in the recreational sense, but at the same time, highly profitable drug for pharmaceutical industries. It's just we already can see how this is going to develop.
Yeah, well, we know who has the advantage, right? And that's, of course, the pharmaceuticals.